In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the header on your Wix website. If your header isn't staying put or it's covering parts of your page as people scroll, this quick walkthrough will help you lock it in place and make it look clean and consistent across your site. First, open your site in the Wix Editor. From your dashboard, enter the editor so you're looking at your page canvas. Give it a second to load all your elements so you can see the full layout clearly. Next, click directly on your header to select it. You'll know you've got the right element when you see the selection outline and a label indicating it's the header. This is important because pinning the wrong element won't give you the result you want. With the header selected, look at the toolbar that appears. Click Pin to Screen, then choose Top. Pinning tells Wix to keep your header anchored to the top edge of the browser window as visitors scroll down the page. If it was already pinned, you'll see that status reflected, and you can simply confirm it's set to top. This setting helps create a familiar, reliable navigation experience so your menu and branding are always visible. Now, decide whether you want your header on every page. In the headers settings, make sure Show on All Pages is enabled if you want a consistent header site-wide. This saves you from copying the same header to each page and reduces design inconsistencies. With pinning in place, fine-tune the header so it doesn't overlap your content. Adjust the header height by dragging its top or bottom handle until it neatly fits your logo, menu, and any buttons without extra empty space. If items feel cramped, increase the height slightly or add internal padding so elements breathe. If it feels bulky, reduce the height until it's streamlined but still readable. Pay attention to design and spacing details. Choose a header background that contrasts with your text and menu for accessibility. If you like a translucent look, consider a subtle color overlay or a faint shadow to keep text legible over page content. Make sure the first section of your page isn't tucked too tightly under the header. A little space at the top of the first strip helps prevent content from appearing hidden behind a pinned header. Take a quick preview to scroll through the page and confirm everything behaves as expected. That's it. Your header is pinned to the top, visible across your pages if you want it, and sized to stay out of the way while keeping navigation front and center.